Hello friends and professionals, let's welcome back another important session. It's been a while getting back to you important topic. It's my experience and I think 6 months a few years back also happened. Condition tables finished or exhausted in the real-time system. What is your action on new requirements in SAP pricing? Either ECC or S4 HANA, it doesn't matter. Okay, you'd like to find out this one? I'm just trying to explain for you. Okay, don't worry. We'll just I'll try to give some tips. Probably many people know real-time professionals, but beginners think that what could be the chances to be adjusted condition tables actually. So let's discuss now. So if you look at here, this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Here I have done 500 plus videos and it has a valuable content. Go through it. In this, I have driven LSMW support techniques, a lot many things, and you're going to get so many things in future. Okay, coming future, probably I may take a little break after some time, but still this channel will be active. Some content will be there, whichever I know I'm trying to contribute here. Okay, so on a serious note, so this is my Udemy. So here I am holding around 4,000 students. So this is one of my prime course, 95 hours. I'm telling you guys, if you have a doubts, you can approach through YouTube or else you can write to me through Udemy forum. Once you subscribe a course, if you have any doubts, and if you'd like to, if you'd like to talk about the course content, if you really wanted to, you know, need any updations, I'm ready to do that. This is my course, but don't give false reviews. I hate it. Okay. And this is for whoever already done the course. I'm recommending this course, Getting Master to Write Functional Specification. This is people are crying for real time. I am in the market. I don't know how many people can utilize this course. Okay, this is very good course, and just update yourself before getting into the real time. And when it comes to pricing, this is at standard level. I have given all concepts. This is one of my top rated course, and before that, you do this one also. 1,000 students are there, so you do this course, and if you have doubts in pricing, come to this course and you finish that. If you really wanted a little more, then you try rebates also. These three are sufficient to cover all interviews. See, don't blame instructors. You have to do the practice and you have to remember until you master of something, right? Okay, so attempting the course, you cannot become overnight successor. You live about some assholes. I'm talking about who actually wanted to come on a genuine way to the industry. Okay, genuine way in the sense knowledge. Your knowledge is important always. Remember, my friend. I don't care whether someone is having 20 years experience in SD or 10 years in experience SD or 6 months experience SD or 0 years experience SD. It's your brain, it's your knowledge, it's your experience, it's your work. It should talk about. We discuss that later. Okay, real-time idoc training. You can also try this course. Try this course, and you can try this course. And if you want pricing, as I told that you can try. If you have doubts in STO, all my courses are framed according to the interview point of view. You just go through it, total standard, almost 99% standard it will be covered. 2%, that's okay. I'm going to cover in future also. So let's discuss this now. Look at here, v/083. So if all condition tables are exhausted, what you have to do the action? See, really all condition tables, you know that, right? 500 to that starts from the 501 to 999. These are the 500 tables available. So exclusively to create your business requirements at the price level, how would like to convert into the tables to use in access sequence, right? For your item level. So when you talk about these requirements, keep on coming. Sometimes it will come like anything. So the tables will be exhausted. It has many reasons, I'm telling you. So one thing is that so many tables. See, first you see this. If you get this problem, if it is exhausted, chances are there to use existing tables. You can use existing tables. Okay. So like either standard tables or already custom created table. Suppose customer material. Okay. So it is available in standard. Suppose someone created with his interest customer material. Same requirement came. You can reutilize, right? And that's the best way to do that. Okay. So when it is really exhausted, so recently I got one requirement for shipping actually. So that key combination, two tables actually I need it. Okay, all tables finished. What I did it, I just need to check whether those two tables can be deleted and try to recreate with a new business requirement. I can reutilization. So for that you should have a experience of guts actually. You cannot you cannot move any transport, especially related to you know workbench. You should be very careful being a functional consultant. So you take your independence, then you are gone. Sometimes your job also at stake, or else project release, something will happen. Most of the times they don't bear actually. So especially if you take manufacturing and retail industry, because you impacted the system intentionally, you are gone. So you are the victim of a job yourself. Okay, don't worry, I'm not going to give fear actually. What you have to do, that's what I'm guiding here. So chances are there to use existing tables. If not, really all tables got finished, existing tables reutilization, if it is there in another location. For example, I worked for Czech Republic recently. Okay, so this change for shipping tables, so those either shipping tables or pricing tables, whatever you call. So those tables not utilized any other place. So that's why I have taken independence after checking the system thoroughly, and those two tables are globally not used anywhere. So data I have checked, but it is a worth risk deleting existing table and recreating and pushing. It fails. I'll discuss that one more video what exactly happens. So it looks like simple at institution level, creating a key combination and pushing, but it's not that much easy actually. You should be very careful. Actual process of your pricing starts with this only. Okay, sometimes unused scrap tables, delete and reuse it. This is a good idea. So like in a customer material, some 10 people created, one created for Czech Republic, another created for like USA, another created for another thing. So second option, deleting existing table, like that combination itself, it is not available. So then what should you do? Either you have to create new one, or else you have to take a call, right? And so and reuse it, and be careful conforming to production system, all these things. And second, last point, you have to make a note it down. This is the same thing happened to me in one of my project. I conformed. It's easy thing creating table, but tables are not available. What should you do? Say I followed about three rules. With my experience I did it, that's fine. Sometimes don't confirm immediately your requirements with your customer. I'll check, and the possibility is there or not. Tables are not there, what should you do? Any possibility is not there. For example, one table, two table, it is fine. That's why I'm asking, don't confirm to the client. Like suppose if you have product hierarchy is there, customer hierarchy is there, like that, hierarchy relevant, prod 1, prod 2, like that, standard is 3 there. It can be incremented up to 5 levels or 9 levels or something like that. So customer hierarchy, such a case that hierarchy tables consume one combination 8 levels, assume uh, customer material one product hierarchy and a material one product hierarchy, like that. If you consume, it goes like hundreds of tables for product hierarchy only. If it is already filled, it is already dumped. On top of it, if you product hierarchy, they want any other new requirement, especially careful with product hierarchy and customer hierarchy key combinations. Okay, so this is how it happens. So that's it. So I think you have learned something. If you really like this video, please like it and forward. With that only you can able to improve your knowledge, and my tips are useful, so definitely it will be helpful to you. I'm successful as a SAP SD consultant. Okay, so then I can give this suggestion to you. So probably whatever I learn, those real-time tips also I will add in my channel. So better, if you'd like to really enhance your knowledge, utilize all these courses, work hard. So gathering material is not important. So many people gathering so many PDFs. Even I used to do early of my career. I want this. It's not like that. Share your knowledge. Download PDFs, no problem. So instead of downloading, after downloading, reading also more important. You do this because so we don't have that much time to read each and every content in the web actually. So I curtailed my courses. So to simply make you understand, you go through it, definitely will not be disappointed. 100% you will be happy SD learning with me. Okay. So that too at cheaper rates. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best and have a successful career. As I said that, Jai Bharat. Continue and change it, right? Jai Bharat.